How to add profile picture on Bumble. Want to make your Bumble profile stand out? Let's add your perfect profile picture. Open the Bumble app and tap on the profile icon at bottom right corner of your screen. Tap on the camera icon or complete profile. You will see the empty photo slot or plus icon. Tap it. Bumble will give you options from Facebook, upload photo, upload video, take photo. If you choose upload photo, select your favorite photo from your camera roll. If you take a photo, just snap one right away. Once you select the picture, adjust the crop so your face is clearly visible. Then tap upload. Your new profile picture will appear at the top of your Bumble profile. You can even add more photo to showcase different side of your personality. And that's it. Your Bumble profile is now looking sharp and ready to impress. Thanks for watching. If this guide helped, hit like, subscribe and stay tuned for more quick tutorials.